Okay, good morning and welcome to Iyun with Mishnayos. We're dealing with Mishna, the last Mishnah in Perek Hey, Mishnah Ches. And it says, "Mekayim kotze mekarim lezer merkidesh v'chomer lo kidesh al davar shkmo mekayim." It says if you leave thorns in your field, it could actually be a mixture with the grapes and make it kodesh. That you wouldn't be able. You have to burn the grapes. According to Lezer, any place, because in the Arabian Peninsula they do that, so everywhere. I'm saying only in the Arabian Peninsula, not everywhere. Then it brings, and the Mishnah says, what are these things? Some say the types of vegetables. Raja says a rose. Sounds like flowers over here. Kilayim Kilayim, they're not Kilayim Kilayim. It sounds like we're talking about Kilayim Kilayim. Why? First, the question is, why is it the Mishnah talking about Mekayim Kotzim Mekarim? Even if you plant Kilayim Kotzim Mekarim, which will also be a problem. If Mekayim is also certainly Zoreya to plant, if you intentionally plant them there, it should be a problem. And why are we talking in Kilayim Mekarim, these plants are not Kilayim Mekarim? So the Mepharshim explain not Midaraisa, Midarabanan they are. They're only Midaraisa because they're not similar to grapes that have many eshkolos, they have many clusters. They don't have clusters of these plants. I'd like to suggest over here, we are talking about flowers over here. This is my chesh. Talking about flowers over here. These are things. Shas HaMelech for sure is a flower over here. And in Kilayim, not Kilayim at all. And we're definitely talking about being Mekayim over here. Mekayim over here. Why are we talking about Mekayim over here? When it comes to Zoreya, that's a pasuk in Dvarim. Don't be Zoreya Kilayim in your Kerem. So, if you plant anything there, so it doesn't matter whether it's a vegetable or has seeds. Even if it has seeds, a rose has seeds, right? In order to reproduce, so it would be usher over it. Here's talking about Mekayim Kotzim and Mekarim. That's we said yesterday. Learned out of a different pasuk. I wanted to learn that from the pasuk in Parashat Kedoshim. Sadcha Israel Kilayim. The issue is to own a field. To own a field that has Kilayim. The ownership is usher. The ownership of the field is usher. So there you learn from Mekayim because it's part of your field and you leave it there, you didn't uproot it, so therefore it becomes part of your field, your estate, and you're violated for being part of your estate. So therefore that the pasuk is talking about Mekayim, and therefore even things which are flowers or thorns or things like that, that can still be considered part of Sada. Sada is a field. Field can mean even a field of flowers. You can have a field of flowers. A karim is dafka something where you have fruits over there, fruits and vegetables. So therefore, by a karim, you have to actually plant something which is vegetables or wheat or something that's too. There's tuas akarim. It says in that pasuk, tuas akarim, tuas akarim. It has to be something you can eat, you can digest. That's only a mixture of kilayim over there, and that you have to do zriya. There you have to plant it. But if you don't plant it, then so therefore when it comes to a vineyard, you have to actually have things which are actually edible. If you don't think things are edible, that's in Kilayim. They're not Kilayim at all. Midaraisa. The Mekayim is only talking, and that's why it says Mekayim Kotzim, because only by the only time it would be a problem is by a sada. By a sada, you have a sada, then you have a field. Not necessarily a vineyard, then it does not, so depending on whether it's royal achila or not, therefore it could be a mixture over there. By a sada, when it comes to a vineyard, it has to be edible things. That's why the end of the mission says it's not kilayim at all. In a kerem, if it's flowers or plants that are not edible, because it's tvua, the pasuk says tvua, it has to be edible, a mixture with kafanim, alter the taste. And so therefore, anything that's not usher at all, probably even the plant in a vineyard. Mekayim is talking about like a sada, talking about Mekayim, talking about the sada, a field, and therefore only by a sada there is a problem of keeping thorn bushes there or flowers there. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. Bye.